In a realm where time had no bounds, a sacred bird named Quetzal resided. The land, once vibrant and bustling, had fallen into a deep slumber, devoid of color and life. One day, a young traveler ventured into the land, seeking to awaken its spirit. He carried with him a heart full of hope and a spirit untamed. As he journeyed, he stumbled upon a dying tree, its leaves withered and branches brittle. In its hollow, he saw a small, featherless bird, quivering with life. The traveler felt a surge of compassion and decided to help. He sought Quetzal, the legendary keeper of life and color, and asked for aid. Quetzal, moved by the traveler's kindness, granted his request. She bestowed upon the featherless bird a single feather, the last one she had. The traveler returned to the tree, where the featherless bird awaited. He placed the feather gently on the bird's back and whispered words of encouragement. Suddenly, the bird burst into a glorious display of colors, transforming into a radiant Quetzal. The land trembled with the vibrancy of the bird's new form, and life began to stir. The traveler continued his journey, spreading the Quetzal's message of hope and renewal. The land, awakened by the vibrant bird, bloomed once more, filled with life and color. The story of the traveler and the Quetzal became a beacon of hope, a reminder that even the smallest act of kindness can bring about great change. And so, the land thrived, forever marked by the whisper of Quetzal's grace.